Oh man, disaster awaits. Can he make it? Road. Hey. Ooh, a bit worried. Fork in the road wasn't on Google Maps. Just when I started losing faith. This is the beautiful people that help me very much. Hey! I'm going to try and describe the chaos on the streets. That's a serious door work. Nice. So it's kind of just a matter of playing progress. This is me trying to cross the road right now. You want to see me on a bike as well? This is like a full noise thing as well. It's like crazy. Madness. And I'll be back for the last day before I go because I only got a 2-week visa, so it's kind of crazy. You have to really watch what you're doing. You could really get run over. This is my last night here in Ho Chi Minh City before I head north on the bike. Anyway, I'm off. Peace out. Been and organised the bike. The company that I've organised with, the owner is a guy from Manchester, local lad. So we had a bit of banter about soccer. Not that I know anything about football, but and it's the first time I've ridden a manual, and the roads are crazy here. Everything sorted out. The whole package cost about £60 for over 10 days to hire. So that's everything sorted. He's given me a guide to where I need to go and maps. So it's going to be quite an adventure. Get to see lots of amazing things. and I get to hit the open road really. I'm really excited about it. Most people, they literally just they buy a bike and then they sell it in Ho Chi Minh, I mean in Hanoi city, but to be honest I'm not going up there, so it doesn't really work for me, but I think you can make a few quid on a bike if you were to do that. But given the time constraints, I've only got a 2-week visa.
Yeah, I hope this one you do like this here. This one.
The choke?
Yeah. Only neutral.
Only in neutral.
500 kilometers you trade oil.
The oil every 500 kilometers.
You check tire.
Awesome. Okay, very good. But yeah, sweet deal. Here's two, hitting the road. Now I'm on to the egg coffee, man. Hitting the egg coffee. Yeah, you can see my best side. Okay, well, let's just have a look at this. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm in the middle of the mountains. Big piece of metal's gone in the back of the tyre. Big piece of metal. Just so you can get a good idea, right? It's like a huge chunk. That was in the tyre. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to get back. I'm going to have to ride really slowly and bad luck or what. Yeah, man, so this is the guy that saved my life and he helped me out, brought me all the way back to the town. Thank you so much, man, we appreciate it, that's great. So this guy is going to try and find me a place to stay tonight, which is great because the language barrier, I'd have just been struggling. I don't know what I'd have done to the indicator, but I'm lucky this time. This beautiful family have helped me out. They prepared me an amazing meal. So, hello everyone! The little guy. He's only 2, he's 2. Hello! He's smiling. This is the wedding photo as well, so we just got one and they've made me an amazing meal. If you can see it, it's a beautiful Vietnamese cooking, so I'm very happy, I'm very lucky. So I'm still in Ta Nung, and the beautiful people of Ta Nung have helped me get my bike back on the road and fix the puncture. Lung helped me out this morning. I think he was quite keen for me to get going, and he got me out of the mechanic before it got really busy. And I've lost the day because, obviously because of the flat tyre. Okay, let's get this on the road. so it's a little bit crazy. I've lost a day because that was the only thing that they wanted. I'm running out of time now. Come on. These guys have helped me out again. Save the day. How you doing, man? Hello. Hey, sir. How you doing? How are you? Everyone's fucking really friendly. Like, beautiful people. But I just honestly like the people. But they're always really helpful and friendly on some level. Amazingly friendly, beautiful people. So this is the guy that saved my life and he helped me out. Beautiful family has helped me out. These are all the amazing people that helped me. Amazing food from the market. This lovely lady speaks quite good English. Thank God, because I was starting to go crazy. Helped me fix the tyre. This gentleman had me fix a tyre in the middle of the night and came and fixed it and provided me the tyre. So grateful. Come on back, come on back, come on back. Thank you, goodbye guys. Amazing people, amazing. Hello. Can you see? Who's that? Okay, so I'm in a place called Guyana, or I'm not going to pronounce it right. I can never pronounce any of the places. Anyway, eventually I got to Nam Cat Tian on my way. I still haven't made it to Bua Mat. Still haven't made it to my venue, but okay, I'm going to head straight up now to Buon something Ma Thong. Small town called Trung Tam Gyo. Not that friendly actually. Right, I really shouldn't be doing this video because I've got like 23% battery, and the whole thing's just been crazy. This wall makes it looks a bit like a prisoner cell block H. Keep thinking B. Jaskell's going to come around the corner in a minute and start kicking off. I don't even know if you're allowed to do this, but oh my god, there's some beautiful wildlife here as well. I don't know if you can see the waterfall, but the waterfall's just behind there. Beautiful. That's the halfway point. Time to head back. But first I've got to cross the dangerous bridge with and I'm going to try and do it with camera in hand. So if I fall you get it live. Just to give you a glimpse at what. God, it's so beautiful, man. Look at that. That is exactly where I'd like to be, you know, Vietnam, riding a bike through the country, and I'm actually doing it. It's like a mad dream come true. The things that I've done this last few months have been amazing. This is it. This is the final point, the crescendo of the journey, for me anyway. Riding through Vietnam. I'm going to head back to Ho Chi Minh City over the next couple of days. been a crazy, crazy adventure. I've had crashes, I've had flat tyres, I've met amazing people, I've met people that I weren't so sure of, but it's been a great adventure as well. So, I mean, this is, what a beautiful way to end it. Incredible. But yeah, enough of me.